NASDAQ this week has made a significant move. What we can see this week, the price started with indecision candles where the price could not move around 16800. So what we can see here, the price formed on the Tuesday a very indecision candle and also a bullish pin bar that has formed here. You can see it here, right? Or this small bullish candle body, and then on a Wednesday the price has formed a strong bearish candle where the price closed below outside of this small indecision range area. This was suggesting that the price could go down and continue to fall down, where we can see that the price has reached 16550 and then bounced back up. This means also a bearish candle that has took the price outside of this indecision range area, suggesting that the price could move even more down and continue to fall down in value. But what happened on a Thursday that was not expected is a strong bullish candle that has made a breakout above this one, which is acting as a resistance above 16800, and then the next candle has moved outside on a Friday above 17001, which is also all-time high for the price currently on the market. The price did not stop here at this strong resistance level, but it has continued to reach and reached 17330. You can see two strong bullish candles has formed on the market. On the weekly time frame, what we can see here is this. After the price has made a bearish breakout on the weekly time frame below this price level, which is 16400, the price did not continue to fall down and did not close below this one, then acting as a resistance, but it has returned back up, which means this bearish breakout to the downside has failed because the next candle did not close below this, currently acting as a support level below 16400. And then the price continued to reach again higher price levels, and we can see on the weekly time frame the price has made a bullish breakout. What we can see here, the price has made a retrace a little bit down, did not reach 16400, but it was very close and then continued to move up. So we can see that this weekly bullish breakout has happened, and also it is a very strong indication of the bullish momentum on the market. On the monthly time frame, what we can see here is still this monthly momentum is active, and also the bulls are running on the market. They're ruling, and also there is no sellers that could push the price down. What we can see, the small supply zone here around 1700 is the where the supply zone was, and then the price was bouncing back down. We can see that on the monthly time frame, after the price has made this bullish breakout to the upside, this candle here, where we have 2 more weeks until this month ends, so everything is still open. We do not make any conclusion too fast, but for now, as it looks on the market, this bullish breakout to the upside has been confirmed with this candle where the price has run back down on this area, which is now acting as a support, and it has made a bullish breakout again to the upside. So for now, the target above, we will see it is 18000, which is 18,000. Which will be the next round number as a psychological level for the traders. But for now, also what we can make a conclusion after this month ends, which we have 2 more weeks, we will see how this candle closes. It is the best to wait and go to the weekly time frame and see how the market looks. For now, what we can see here is this bullish breakout to the upside. So I'm expecting that the price will retrace back down around 17000, just confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one until the price continues to move to the upside. So if I stretch this one here, just a minute. We can see where the price could stop, and we can see that 18,000 is here around this one, so this will be the next target I'm watching. Let's stretch this one also here. Just a minute. Okay. Here it is. So we can see where this, where are the confluence of support, where the currently is here, and also confluence of resistance if the price reaches, which will be around this one here. So I will put also this one here, which will be the next. Sorry. Horizontal line properties. Okay, visualization. That's okay. So this is the next resistance level for the price on this time frame. So what we can see here is the way we are waiting the next week for the price to make a confirmation of this bullish breakout, and for that it is the best to see on the daily time frame. Let's go here. This will mean that the price, I'm expecting that we can see here on the daily time frame the price is made also a bullish breakout, and to confirm this bullish breakout is a valid one, I am expecting the next week on the Monday that the price could return back down, just confirming as a valid one. Also we can see it a week just going down and then continue to move up to the higher price levels. If that does not happen on the daily time frame, we could see the price reaching again higher price levels, which will mean this bullish momentum is pretty strong, and there is no need for the price to return back down, just confirm this bullish breakout. This will always mean, if that happens without the confirmation, that the bullish momentum is pretty strong and we could expect the price reaching again higher price levels. But for the weekly time frame, we will have 5 days for the price to return back down, just to confirm a weekly bullish breakout as a valid one. So this could also happen on the weekly time frame. But for now, as it looks, everything looks bullish, and I'm expecting for the price to make a little bit retrace before continuing to reach higher price levels. So if you would like also to check when something critical happens, and also if there is any other breakout happens, and also if there is a validation of the breakout to the upside or the downside, I'm sharing also daily analysis for the several symbols on the market inside the trading community. The link for the trading community you can find below the video inside the description. So if you would like to check it, feel free to check and see if it is good for you to receive a daily analysis when something happens very important on the market. That's all, and see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.